उससे जाके मैंने ईमेल ली, 300 रुपया महीना मुझे याद है, विद 20 MB और 30 MB
ऐसे मिलती होती थी
स्टोरेज।
ईमेल
जी,
पहले? वाह।
ही वाज टॉकिंग ऑन द लैंडलाइन। उसका कहता है कि जी सिग्नल नहीं आ रहे, कहता है जी सर नहीं आ रहे। अच्छा आप फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाएं, अब आए सिग्नल, कहता नहीं आए। अच्छा आप छत पे जाएं, अब आए सिग्नल, कहता हाँ जी एक सिग्नल आ रहा है, कहता है यहाँ से कॉल करें। It's little strange, but we've also started putting a limit on how much, what is the average age of people coming in our organization. So we're
ओके,
pushing ourselves to bring more youth inside.
so if you were a superhero, who would you be?
I would be a mixture of Hulk and Iron Man, maybe.
Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Digital Pakistan podcast. My name is Asma Ijaz Khan, your host for the series, and आज हम आपके लेके आए एक exclusive conversation with the tech industry veteran who's been here for more than 2 decades. And last 2 decades में होने वाले major milestones में he didn't just witness it, he was also participating in it. So bringing in a wealth of experience and a lot of interesting stories to the podcast today is Ahmed Bilal Masood, the Deputy CEO of Huawei Pakistan. Hello and welcome to the podcast.
Assalamu alaikum, Asma. Thank
Thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much for taking out the time and joining us. And we're looking forward बड़ी एक इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए क्योंकि आपका इतना एक्सपीरियंस है इंडस्ट्री के अंदर सो आई एम श्योर वी लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम यू. अच्छा बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई लाइक हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मेट बिट. स्टार्ट तो हम इंट्रोडक्शन से करेंगे बट उसके अलावा हमारे 3 मेजर सेगमेंट्स होते हैं पास्ट प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर और बीच में हम 2 गेम्स खेलेंगे आपके साथ ताकि हम और ऑडियंस दोनों बोर ना हो. ठीक है. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रोडक्शन. अब इसके अंदर वी वुड ऑब्वियसली like to know कि आप यहाँ तक पहुंचे कैसे but who is Ahmed as a person, that is also what we want to know. Was this the dream always? Yeah, these are just things that happen in his life.
I think for my case, when I started my career, I could never imagine कि I would, telecom would do like this at that stage. और मेरे ख्याल में अभी हमारी स्पेसिफिक इंडस्ट्री में ये इन्विजन करना कि एक सर्ट 5 साल बाद क्या होगा, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. आई रेड अ स्टडी, आई थिंक आई कैन बी सम टाइम बैड विद नंबर्स, इट कैन बी हियर एंड देयर. आई थिंक इट वाज प्रॉब्ली 2018 or 2017, the top jobs, they didn't even exist in 2014. So the how the industry is evolving and how the tech adoption is happening. सो जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो इतना इट वाज मच सिंपलर. मतलब आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी इन सेलुलर इंडस्ट्री. और उसके बाद ये है कि व्हेन आई मूव्ड इन, तो सेलुलर इंडस्ट्री वाज अ लग्जरी. इट वाज ओनली फॉर वेरी वेरी लिमिटेड पीपल. एंड आई रिमेंबर के वी हैड अ टारगेट के यार 50,000 कस्टमर्स थे हमारे, 1 लाख क्रॉस करना है. एंड वी ट्राइड आवर लेवल बेस्ट एंड वी कुड नॉट क्रॉस इट.
अब तो मिलियन से बात करते हैं.
वही तो बात है. एंड देन वन लिटिल चेंज when we went from CPP regime to MPP, calling party pays. You know, previously it was MPP, so CPP is calling party pays. Incoming call free. पहले तो incoming outgoing दोनों पे charge होता था.
ओके.
तो जब ये start हुआ, then we started having revolution. And then I have to admit, सबसे बड़ी revolution तब आई जब prepaid आया market के अंदर. So then it was no stopping. So yes, I've seen it. I've been there, and I was very lucky that I witnessed the journey.
And what kind of companies have you been in so far?
Well, for this one, I think I've been quite stable. So this is my third job. So I've been with Jazz, and I have been with Motorola, and now with Huawei for more than 10 years. So yes, I've been quite stable in sense. और मैं और मतलब है कि मुझे कोई ज़्यादा jobs नहीं देता. So
I don't know, maybe current generation won't relate a bit because आजकल तो एक trend है कि job hopping is considered important also if you want to grow in your career. What do you think has changed from that time to this time कि अब it's very rare to find someone जो बोले कि I've been here for 10 years or 5 years or 6 years, even like that milestone seems like a big one.
I think this is slightly misunderstood, मेरे ख्याल में, ठीक है. And first I'll relate to something of my experience, and then we can talk about currently what I see. So जब मैंने अपना career start किया था, तो I was completely changing my job role every year, almost every year. So within the same organization as well. So you were moving from different perspective to different. And a lot of these companies, they offer very very good job and career growth and lot of exposure to the employees and even partners. ठीक है. And then of course sometime you when you switch job तो उससे कुछ वैल्यूडेशन होती है. लेकिन मेरे ख्याल में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, आई गिव दिस एग्जांपल अ लॉट, कि जब आप अपना करियर स्टार्ट करें तो यू सी टू थिंग्स. You see, don't look at salary only. Don't look at the benefits.
In this
You,
economy also.
this is very important. If you want, so there's a you need to you need to check whether you want to go long run or you want to go short run. So I'm not saying that's not important. It's important, but one is the organization is very important, and the team which you are working with, because and I do these games a lot with a lot of people. Okay, you are what your first team and first managers were.
Wow,
So
interesting.
basically, that's what when your career starts, तो आपका जो पहला एक्सपोजर होता है वो आपका आगे आपका प्रोफेशनल करियर और आपकी बिहेवियर वो उसको इम्पैक्ट
जो
करता है.
फाउंडेशन सेट कर लेते हैं वो आप लोग की
फाउंडेशन सेट
बिल्कुल.
करता है, उसको इम्पैक्ट करता है.
And what about your educational background?
I did my bachelor's engineering electrical from NUST. I'm supposedly first second batch of NUST, and so that was back in '97 that I.
So you've been used to pioneering different things,
Uh,
industries,
yes,
services,
yes.
universities.
I believe कि if I look at from that perspective, I'm pioneering. Yes, I was there. लेकिन जिस तरीके से टेक इंडस्ट्री चल रही है ना, हर बंदा जब भी कहीं पे भी एंटर करेगा वो कुछ ना कुछ पाइनियरिंग स्टेज पे एंटर करेगा. सो वी हैव आर्टिफिशियल वी वर आई डोंट वांट टू साउंड प्री हिस्टोरिक, लेकिन ये है कि जैसे हमारे ज़माने में DSL मॉडेम होते थे, वो कड़िंग कड़ंग करके वो जो
जी, yes.
मतलब पॉट्स पे. आई रिमेंबर कि व्हेन आई वाज इन यूनिवर्सिटी तो email was a very big thing. It just started. So me and one of my colleague, we went to, and UNDP was one email सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. तो हम वहाँ गए और उससे जाके मैंने ईमेल ली. 300 रुपया महीना मुझे याद है, विद 20 MB और 30 MB
ऐसे मिलती होती थी
स्टोरेज.
ईमेल
जी.
पहले. वाह.
और ईमेल लेके आ गए और उसके बाद हम सोच रहे थे कि यार अब इस ईमेल का करना क्या है. तो देन वी स्टार्टेड कि अब किसी को बताएंगे तो हम मैं कि मुझे ईमेल करो, तो पीपल वुड आस्क यार ईमेल क्यों करें, वी कैन टॉक टू
Yeah.
यू, राइट. So that's how, and we started using email to send some messages or emails abroad. University communication. I was part of IEEE, so IEEE communication. So we were trying our best कि यार इस technology को use कैसे करना है. So this was that time as well. So now things, uh, emails. Who remembers fax? Nobody remembers fax. Letters, typings. No. So email up to ChatGPT के साथ you don't need to think of
Yeah.
drafting email as well.
Yes, yes. Acha, what's your favorite tech product?
Well, actually, it changes with time, but the last tech product, my favorite one, which actually is also on the way exit now, is USB. I think it's very interesting because it was when we were growing up or in our careers, so data transfer was always a big challenge. So we remember using floppy disks, then CDs, and then
Yeah.
DVDs, and copying DVDs, copying data, email. So USB was very convenient. So when USB came, you could put it in laptop, computer, even गाड़ी के अंदर वो जो MP3 songs or whatever. So it is very convenient. It was very convenient. You put it in your pocket and you have your data with you. Of course, with cloud, it's also.
Are you happy with the, way it's changing? या फिर थोड़ा वो nostalgia वाला element होता है, you want it to
No,
be
no.
there?
I think it's more exciting. Every few days there's a reset. A new thing comes in. So that's the exciting part.
अच्छा, and if anything was possible, तो अगर आप खुद बनाए या you could ask someone to create a tech product for you, what would that be? Something that doesn't exist now.
Again, it changes with time, but have you seen Star Wars? Star World,
Star Trek,
Star Trek? No, Star Trek. Yes, sorry.
जिसमें वो
Ah,
space
yes,
travel
yes,
वगैरह
yes,
करते
yes. So you seen Star Trek?
हैं. Yes.
I think the Beam Me Up Scotty was that was
हाँ.
very interesting. So I still believe that one day maybe technology will go there, that we will convert mass into data and then send and then get people back maybe. So let's see.
Acha, so the first segment is past, right? So iske liye we would like you to use your imagination, go back to being 20 years old, and hame bataye when Ahmed was 20, what did technology look like back then, and any funny incidents or stories you want to share?
Okay, so no, there are a lot of stories, funny stories, as well as interesting times. I can give you one example that when I started my career with jazz, so number of sites बहुत कम हुआ करती थी. तो
Hmm.
होता ये था कि we would sit there and we would customer services would sometime come to us and uh, ask us to handle customer
Hmm.
complaints, or most majority complaints coverage की होती थी because number of sites were very less. So I remember we were sitting and a newcomer came in and we were showing him how to handle customer complaint, and we got a customer call and one of my friend was handling it. So उसे कहता है कि अच्छा, he was talking on the landline. उसे कहता है कि जी सिग्नल नहीं आ रहे, कहता है जी सर नहीं आ रहे. अच्छा आप फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाएं, अब आए सिग्नल, कहता है नहीं आए. अच्छा आप छत पे जाएं, अब आए सिग्नल, कहता है हाँ जी एक सिग्नल आ रहा है, कहता है यहाँ से कॉल करें.
Wow.
कहते हैं यहाँ से कॉल करें. तो जी दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर यू कैन कॉल. सो फ्रॉम दैट टाइम व्हेन वी वुड स्पेसिफाई कि जी आप छत पे चढ़ के इस कोने पे जाके कॉल करें. सो नाउ जहाँ कस्टमर कहता है कि मेरी बेसमेंट में भी फ़ोन आए, दैट्स अ
Yeah,
ह्यूज
God
डिफरेंस.
forbid a customer experience agent says something like this. Ab it
पॉसिबल
will really just
पॉसिबल
damage
नहीं
the
है,
company. अब तो
पॉसिबल नहीं.
काफी मुश्किल हो गया
यस.
है. Do you think कि you know since you've been witnessing a lot of firsts in our industry, right? तो ऐसी कोई चीज है जब when it happened, तो you personally also felt like this seems a bit complicated. शायद पाकिस्तान में ये ना चले, and then you were pleasantly surprised by how it went.
Well, again, I'll share with you another interesting story. When jazz happened, so sorry, when prepaid happened, Jazz Cash. Why I'm using Jazz because Jazz was the prepaid brand at that time. तो उस स्टेज पे दिस वाज द फर्स्ट प्रीपेड प्लेटफॉर्म आई थिंक एट दैट स्टेज. तो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ एप्रीहेंशन. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर के लॉन्च की रात पे वी वर सिटिंग एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग दैट what's going to happen to the industry because you bring a total new thing, and that a debate erupt. और डिबेट ये थी कि यार पाकिस्तानी लोग तो भाई हम तो बिल देखते हैं, एक एक कॉल देखते हैं, और हम तो महीने के बाद पैसे देते हैं. तो why would Pakistanis pay money in advance and not have a bill? So how is it possible? So ये तो चलेगा ही नहीं. And that was a popular idea at that time. ठीक है. And of course, within 2-3 months, we saw how the prepaid picked up, and now it's more than 90, 95, 96% of the market industry जो है वो prepaid market है. लेकिन so what I want to highlight to you is we are in our own those limits. How the industry reacts, how the technology and how the next generation takes things, it's totally an unknown territory. और जितनी जल्दी हम इसको accept करेंगे उतना अच्छा है. So we must be part of the journey and enjoy this part, not not sticking to what we believe.
अच्छा, इन कंपेयर टू द पास्ट यू फील लाइक कि अब ऐसा है कि जो नॉर्मली ऐसे होता है, चाहे गाड़ी है, फोन है, कोई भी टेक है, पाकिस्तान में आते आते ना उसको टाइम लग जाता है, बाहर वो थोड़ी पुरानी हो जाती है तब हमारे पास आती है. एंड आई एम श्योर पास्ट में भी ऐसा होता होगा. डू यू थिंक वी हैव मेड सम प्रोग्रेस इन दैट एरिया अ बिट के अब पीपल डू थिंक के पाकिस्तान इज रेलेवेंट मार्केट और उस पर हम थोड़ा टाइम से एंटर करें तो बेहतर है?
पाकिस्तान की डायनामिक्स बहुत डिफरेंट है. अच्छा, एक तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान में हमारे पास बहुत गैप है from other countries. Yes, if you talk about let's say 5G, we don't have 5G right now, but 5G की बहुत ज़्यादा 5G ग्लोबली भी अगर अभी यूज़ हो रहा है प्राइमरीली इन मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, वहाँ पर स्पीड के लिए यूज़ हो रहा है, स्पीड के लिए, बेटर एक्सपीरियंस के लिए, राइट. पाकिस्तान में देर इज़ अ ह्यूज गैप, लेकिन इन टर्म्स ऑफ अगर मैं टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करूँ तो वी आर देयर, राइट. सो इन फैक्ट बहुत सी सर्विसेज ऐसी हैं तमाम मोबाइल ऑपरेटर्स के साथ जो कि बेसिकली शायद दुनिया में और नहीं है. ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर्स एंड ऑनलाइन दिस वन एंड there's so many short codes, so many
Hmm.
services around this. So I don't think we are too far, but there are gaps. There are gaps. And then because of the social media, so now there is this global space and everyone knows कि बाकी जगह क्या हो रहा है. So अगर we have EV cars as a trend coming in
Yeah.
US or China or any other countries. तो फिर ये होता ही है कि सारी दुनिया में कि जी वो autonomous vehicles
Yeah.
के के वो आ रही हैं और अब सारी दुनिया में क्या autonomous vehicles इस वक्त ड्राइव कर रही हैं? No. ठीक है, लेकिन इट विल टेक टाइम फॉर द नेटवर्क्स एंड फॉर पीपल टू अडाप्ट दैट। लेकिन ये है कि जनरली अगर हम देखें तो वी नॉट फार बिहाइंड, बट यस वी हैव डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस। सो लाइक नेमली आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ आर रुपी डॉलर इशू, हमारी जो अपटेक है, मतलब जब हैंडसेट बिकम्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव,
Yeah.
सो ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है लोगों के लिए। गाड़ी आपने बात की, वो एक्सपेंसिव है, ठीक है। ईवी कार एक्सपेंसिव है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थोड़ी सी इस वक्त चैलेंज है हम सब के लिए। तो वो थोड़ा सा एक जो इकोनॉमिक वाइबिलिटी है वो थोड़ा सा चैलेंज है। अदरवाइज आई थिंक जनरली वी आर फार अहेड एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, लॉट ऑफ
Okay,
थिंग्स।
great, great, good to know. Acha, we'll move on to our first gaming segment
ओह
now.
माय गॉड।
It's called Rapid Fire.
ओके,
You know what it is, right? अपने पास जल्दी तेजी से जवाब देना है. Are you ready?
या
Acha,
लेट मी
what's the
ट्राई।
most unusual job you have ever had?
जल्दी आंसर है कि आई थिंक none, but not that I can remember of, but not unusual. I was always in the tech industry.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, most interesting thing you've learned in your industry.
Change.
The
It's
change is slow.
change is fast.
Okay, okay. The most difficult decision you have ever made in your career.
Uh, there were many, and I'll share with you that there were many that normally I take challenges. Those things which, and that is the one which helped me for my career as well. That I would always take that task. Okay, normally it's difficult to do.
Road less traveled. Okay. Acha, your favorite Pakistani tech startup.
I've yet to see a good one. No, there are many promising one, but I think I've yet to see, because I still believe बहुत से Pakistani startups, we need to be thinking global, completely global.
Is there any area specifically जिसमें आप wait कर रहे हैं कि somebody is going to come in and cause some sort of disruption?
Again, we have a lot of opportunities. So we have fifth fifth, sixth in terms of population, and then we are like one, two in terms of youth penetration. So opportunity huge है. तो हमें देखना है कि हमारा जो स्पेसिफिक जो स्किल सेट है, या जो हमारा मतलब यूनिकनेस है पाकिस्तानीज की, हाउ वी कैन टेक इट टू द वर्ल्ड, दैट्स द एरिया वेयर वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah. All right. Acha, your favorite productivity hack.
My favorite productivity hack is start a bit early. I think when others are not there, so normally you do a bit more things than, and less disturbance. And second is that I normally go if I have too much work, then I will separate my things. I will just stick to making plans first.
Okay, interesting. Acha, your go-to hack when a tech device stops working.
My go-to have a tech device stops working. Uses redundant one.
Really? Acha,
You
you're
know,
so
in
good.
telecom, we have always redundancy. So you have one and you have second one, and you have active standby. So if one stop working, you should have the second one.
Wow, that's interesting. Actually,
And the networks, they never go down, of course.
it is something that you regret about your career.
Nothing. I think if I go back and if I've given a chance, I will do some of the things differently. Like in yeah, I would follow the same path. I was quite exciting, and I was, it was very learning and fulfilling.
Do you think Pakistan is ready to compete with the world when it comes to technology?
Uh, yes, and yes, I believe yes, and I very strongly believe yes, and I'll share with you a couple of points. Pakistani youth has always, वो कहते हैं ना ज़रा नम होता ये मिट्टी बड़ी ज़रख़ेज़ है.
Hmm.
तो बेसिकली ये मिट्टी बहुत ज़रख़ेज़ है, ठीक है. एंड आई विल गिव यू सर्टेन एग्जांपल्स. लेकिन ये है कि इट इज़ वेरी इनकरेजिंग टू सी हाउ द यूथ एंड देयर टेक देयर इंटेलेक्ट इज़. और अगर हमने इसको प्रॉपर्ली हार्नेस कर दिया, तो आई थिंक वी आर इन मच बेटर प्लेस टू contribute to the world in tech space than other countries.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people that not just कि वो जो podcast पे हैं, but हम generally भी जब सुनते हैं किसी का ना, तो there's a lot of focus on the youth population. We really believe कि they're going to change the country for us and all. Do you think it's fair though कि हम इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी उन पर डालते हैं, because उनके अपने challenges हैं और वो खुद हमसे थोड़े से upset हैं कि हमें क्या मिला है इस मुल्क में कि अब हम बदलें भी आपके लिए सारा कुछ. Do you think it's a bit unfair to them?
Well, I think let me share. I was planning to let me share one story with you. हम हुआवे में ना ICT कंपटीशन कराते हैं ग्लोबली. तो सो द फॉर्मेट इज़ कि हर मुल्क के अंदर यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स और जो ग्रेजुएट्स हैं विद इन अ ईयर और सो वो compete करते हैं on ICT skills. ठीक है. Or then we run it within a country, and then the champions of the country they go to the region. In our case, they go to Dubai and Dubai or Saudi, और वहाँ पर regional countries का competition होता है उन्हीं students का. And then we send them to China जहाँ पर global finals होते हैं. So just to share some numbers with you, last year 160,000 students globally attended that. So it's a huge platform. और पिछले 10 साल से पाकिस्तान हम हमेशा फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पोजीशंस पे होते हैं. वी हैव नेवर कम टू फोर्थ पोजीशन. So this is the first thing. And we have particularly highlighted one. I picked up one story, and this is on our website as well. That is Bhagchand. So Bhagchand is from Thar village. उसके गांव से रोड 20 किलोमीटर दूर है. ठीक है. और भागचंद उस गांव से जहाँ पर पानी नहीं है वहाँ से निकला और वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बना ICT स्किल्स में. So he beat everyone in Pakistan and in the world in ICT skills. So when I met भागचंद तो मैंने उसे सिंध की यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएशन की. तो मैंने उसे पूछा कि तुम्हें ये मतलब उसने तो he said कि he saw the paper of this ICT skills कि ये कंपटीशन होता है ग्लोबल व्हेन ही वाज इन फर्स्ट ईयर. तो फोर्थ ईयर में जाके ही अटेम्प्टेड. तो उसने 4 साल तैयारी की.
Wow.
सो द थिंग इज कि अगर थर का एक लड़का जहाँ पर और वो टाट के स्कूल में पढ़ा हुआ है
Yeah,
अगर वो
yes.
ये कर सकता है and of course he was hired and he's doing very good and he has changed the whole his whole community. तो I think थोड़ा सा हमें इसको हल्का सा चेंज करना है. It's not that कि हम बर्डन डाल रहे हैं. यूथ हैज़ टू टेक द लीड. और वो जितना पैशन हो सकता है और मेरे ख्याल में अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. लेकिन द ओनली थिंग व्हिच आई वाज सेइंग इज वी नीड टू थिंक ग्लोबल. वी नीड टू compete. We're no less than any other thing, any other nationality or any other people around us. I think there's a lot of upbeat energy in us
So
or
we need to
intellect
have
in
a
us.
bit more confidence in ourselves also.
Confidence in we shouldn't be afraid of failure first, and we should be out there.
Right, that's interesting. Just skills, yeah, hobby you wish you had more time to pursue.
Yes, I wish if I could, I would um, travel. I could eat more food. I would play more golf. Um, but of course,
Busy routine.
not busy. So there is always office. There's always friends, and there's always this thing. लेकिन ये है कि yeah, I think I've had everything. So alhamdulillah. So I did every sort of skill or hobby. I did that. Like now if you ask me, so I would love to travel.
Okay. So you did really well on the game.
Really?
Yes, you
Okay.
did really well.
Okay.
You answered all our questions. So moving on to the next segment, which is called the present. इसके अंदर we want you to highlight 2 3 initiatives or contributions जो आपने as a person किए हैं or maybe in your role as the deputy CEO that you feel like is your way of giving back to the community.
I think there are a couple of very exciting and very great things we did, and I'll share a couple of them with you. Uh, mm, uh, I was just talking to you about youth just now. Okay, how promising and how excellent our youth is, and how good the intellect is. So we started with a very humble. हमने हवावी के अंदर We had about 14, 15 people, and we started putting a regional support center here, and we started supporting another country. हमने यहाँ पर रिसोर्सेज इकट्ठी की, और पर्पस ये था कि हम मतलब पाकिस्तान के नेटवर्क्स तो हम सपोर्ट करते ही हैं, हम एक और कंट्री को, इफ़ वी आर एबल टू support other countries. And then it started growing. And it came to a point जहाँ पर हमने पूरे मिडल ईस्ट का लोड ले लिया. And right now, we were able to shut down one of the global resource centers in our neighboring country, and we moved it to Pakistan. So now Pakistan is managing Huawei networks, uh, all Asia except China and Russia. और हम लोग there are four global centers. So there's one in Americas, Mexico, which is looking after Americas. There's one in Romania, which is looking after Europe, one in Pakistan, and of course there's one in China for China market. So Pakistan, and I correct this to a lot of people, and Pakistan is the best. And the first thing people think is that Pakistan is the best because यहाँ resource बहुत cheap है. I tell them
Yeah,
no,
yeah, yes. That is what came to my mind as well. कि अक्सर लोगों को तो यही लगता है.
we are the best. Our performance, our response, our customers are more satisfied. So that's the change. So if you, वो मैं कह रहा था ना कि ज़रा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बड़ी ज़रख़ेज़ है, तो our youth is very promising. So we need to have more examples like this. We need to have our youth and our tech mindset जो है, हमारी technology mindset जो है वो मतलब बहुत चीज़ों में we have done very good in a lot of areas. I give one example, नादरा जैसा था. So when Nadra happened, so it was impossible. And I remember that I had some friends and colleagues, and they were saying कि it's not possible कि हम document कैसे करेंगे, पाकिस्तान से document ही नहीं हो सकते. And now you know कि आप SIM card, हर बंदे का thumb impression, हमारा database, हर पाकिस्तानी का completely updated है. And they have taken these examples globally into Africa and other countries. Our SIM cards linkage with Nadra, बहुत से मुल्कों में ये चीज़ इतनी 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 सीमलेस नहीं है जितनी पाकिस्तान में जितनी अच्छे तरीके से चल रही है. So I think there are many good examples for Pakistan. Another thing which you talked about, so that was this ICT skills, जो I talked about. And when we started contributing to it, so we found out that Pakistan youth, and even we are very famous as Pakistan. This has helped us in Huawei as well. So I'll share a very interesting thing. Huawei is a tech giant. We are number one in ICT domain globally, and Pakistanis are number two nationality after Chinese. So
Wow.
this basically puts us into a very leading front. So there's a lot of opportunity there. So the thing is, we have to be upbeat there, and we should have confidence in ourselves.
Very nice. अच्छा, now we'll also, since हम present की बात कर रहे हैं, तो we'll have to address some things हमारे present related as well. What do you think, are the biggest challenges and opportunities as well in the tech landscape when it comes to Pakistan?
Uh, I think there are many challenges, and of course, wherever there's challenge and opportunities, they go hand in hand. So wherever there's challenge, so I'll just talk about the challenges. Like I think in terms of population coverage for teledensity, we're there. Like I think I'll go one by one. So I think there is still, because of the handset price, still जो हमारे स्मार्टफोन पेनिट्रेशन है वो बहुत कम है. So I think smartphone की penetration बहुत ज़रूरी है, because that connects the people to the digital world. Mobile phone is very important. It's very important for communication. 2G phone जैसा होता है. लेकिन जब तक वो smartphone has its own value. So this is one I think we need to push up. हमारी percentage काफ़ी ज़्यादा है जो जो 2G phone है उसकी, जो simple phone है. I think that needs to be changed very quickly. Secondly, जब वो चेंज होगा तो इट विल create more opportunity for people, because people will come into digital space. ठीक है. And I think second चीज़ जो मैं समझता हूँ वो ये है कि And that is, I think, correlating with our digital economy part, because a lot of countries, like if I talk about China ka digital economy has now crossed 50%, and we don't have a fixed number, which I don't. We don't have a fixed number. Like in ye we are something maybe around 10% or plus minus, but that's not a healthy economy. So once we have the networks, we have the smartphone penetration. Another challenge is that we need people, companies, and local communities to have digital solutions to help them do their work, whether it is agriculture, whether it is mining, whether it is more e-commerce, whether it is selling your services or products online, whether it is to basically talking about ट्रेनिंग एनीथिंग सो आई थिंक उसके लिए हमें जो छोटे 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 इकोसिस्टम बिल्ड करने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए और थोड़ा सा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है बिल्कुल.
All right. Any interesting insights that you've noticed in your role अभी जितना आपने यहाँ पे काम किया है, with the way Pakistanis use or adopt technology?
I just told you, uh, a lot of Pakistan, whenever I see my driver, वो जो and I cannot do this, so वो हर वक्त शॉर्ट कोड्स आ रहे होते हैं कि आप ये शॉर्ट कोड करें तो पुरानी सिम डाल लें, ये शॉर्ट कोड करें तो ये पैकेज इनेबल कर लें. So this is how the people they use it. It's amazing. They have short codes for YouTube. So there is a huge complex knowledge there of these codes and packages, and लेकिन ये है कि how they use it, it's amazing. And but yeah, I think generally हमारी जो टेक adoption है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
And ये जो इस तरह इतनी effort डाल के लोग करते हैं, I think this also shows the interest that they have in tech, right? I have maybe some of the times we assume, right? I mean, for example, me, I assume my mom wouldn't know or wouldn't love YouTube as much, but nahi, she's into it more than me.
I'll share with you one interesting thing. So when USFs were happening, तो उस स्टेज पे there was initial discussion कि वो underserved areas है. तो यहाँ पर तो 2G भी बड़ी मुश्किल से चलेगा, viable नहीं है. And we started putting there and with all the operators, and then we found out कि यार यहाँ तो data देना चाहिए. And then we find out कि यार data का uptake उधर बहुत ज़्यादा है. And how is it possible? It's a remote village उधर probably इतने अच्छे schooling system, road networks वो भी इतने अच्छे नहीं है. तो ये data uptake, and you find out कि यार वहाँ basic entertainment and connection is maybe probably YouTube's and probably all the internet. So data is extremely important. So so that's why I'm saying कि जब smartphone और data हर हर गली हर कहते हैं ना कि पाकिस्तान के हर गली हर पहाड़ हर गांव कस्बे में पहुंचेगा तो it will lighten the community there.
राइट. अच्छा, अब जब हम टेक की बात करते हैं तो एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ के साथ एसोसिएट की जाती है वो इकोनॉमी, राइट? आप डिजिटल इकोनॉमी की बात करते हैं, वी रियली रियली फील लाइक द ओनली वे आर इकोनॉमी कैन गेट टू अ पॉइंट वेयर वी वोंट बी स्ट्रगलिंग विद सो मेनी थिंग्स जो आजकल हम कर रहे हैं, इज इफ टेक कैन बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. हाउ डू यू थिंक टेक इज गोइंग टू चेंज और इम्प्रूव द कंडीशन ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमी, और उस सारे रोल चीज़ के अंदर व्हाट रोल इज हुआवे गोइंग टू प्ले?
So first the tech. I think tech जो है ना वो enabler है, बहुत बड़ा enabler. एक तो खैर tech itself can generate a lot of it can contribute a lot to economy as well. जिस तरह अभी हमारे freelancers and a lot of tech companies and a lot of digitization which is happening. Even though जो mobile sector, IT sector है, that's also contributing a lot of tax in terms of GDP, plus also creating a lot of value for the people. लेकिन ये enabler है. So with tech agriculture, now agriculture can expand. It is more efficient. You are much better. You're much easier to sell your goods internationally. Tech government, you can make the processes more transparent. You can make things more faster. You can reduce the bureaucracy. You can reduce time and improve the services to the people. Tech and manufacturing. So so tech is something which is it's a catalyst. It goes into every industry, and that's where the opportunity is for us. सो जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक स्टीव जॉब्स, वो टेक वाला बंदा भी था और ही डिड कैलीग्राफी, तो उसने दोनों उस जमाने में nobody could think of putting colors to the font or making fonts for the computer. It was all plain green color, digital, A B C D. So and that changed the whole world. So when you have this tech knowledge and you have the industry knowledge and you fuse this, that's where the magic happens. So वहाँ पर and for us, Huawei, uh, we are quite lucky and we are very honored. Okay, in Pakistan, we are number one in a lot of area in our market share, and we are most trusted in our landscape. So because of that, so wherever the networks are being built, whether it is USFs or all the new technologies, so we are hand in hand with all our customers, which is Jazz, Ufone, PTCL, Zong, uh, and Telenor. We work with all of them, SEO, everyone, and we work with them, and we basically enable them to bring technology to the people, okay, faster and also more efficient way and more value driven way. So this is, we work together, and I think that is one area where we will continue to work. And so whenever the platform infrastructure platform will be built, we are there, and we are working very closely with the government to help digitize and to help wherever we can contribute to make things simpler, smart cities. When we talk about smart governance, e-education, so we work very closely with HEC to to for the projects like e-classrooms. So there's a lot of digitization which is happening in the government side, which we are working very closely with the government. And the third and most close to my heart is the youth. Again, I'm coming to that one. And we work with the universities. We are there in more than 130 universities, and we do certification programs. We take students from Pakistan for ICT competition. We have programs like we call it seed. So every year we take about 10 15 students from every university, and then we put them, all these students together internationally, to one area. They work together on projects. They even contribute to our R&D. And then we just started to work with the government on ICT training program for 300,000 people, and that is also going to contribute a lot. So we are going to continue to help build capacity, and then develop infrastructure, and inshallah, wherever we have a chance, we bring our products and services to digitize
Yeah.
uh, any vertical, whether it's banking sector, oil and gas, uh, wherever. So we will be there.
So since you work so closely with the youth, what do you think are two, three major skills that they should be focusing on if they want to stay relevant or become more relevant, for whatever's coming in the future?
I think हमारी जो स्पेस है टेक्नोलॉजी की, इसमें things are changing very fast. So there's a good and bad. So the good is that even if you miss something, I can catch up. So if I missed something in the past, I can start to work on AI now because it's building up. So I can so nothing is lost. I can leapfrog. Uh, but the bad part is that if I don't stay up to date, I will be out. So whatever you know today, whatever is making value for you today, will may not be relevant tomorrow. So constant upscaling and constant checking के हो क्या रहा है, ठीक है, and then you need to keep moving. So this mindset is very important, very important.
Okay. अच्छा, now we move on to our next gaming segment. आपको वैसे गाना गाना आता है?
मतलब गाना तो हर एक को आता है, लेकिन वो डिपेंड करता है कि
क्या बच्चा गाते हैं, बुरा गाते हैं? अच्छा, so it's called truth or sing a song. Truth or dare नहीं होता क्योंकि हम dare नहीं करा सकते कैमरे पे. So if you don't answer a question, if you choose not to answer a question, then you'll have to sing a song for us.
Okay,
ठीक है? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Who is your role model and why?
Uh, many in fact, many in tech space. Lekin abhi the first name which came to my mind was Muhammad Ali, the boxer. I really love his character, and when I was young, I watched every fight of Muhammad Ali, and still sometime I do. So
What about him motivates you the most?
he believed in himself. So first was he always believed in himself too much, and secondly, he knew his limits. So in the ring, he will always tire the opponent. He will tire the opponent down, and then he would play his card. So he was in control from the first second. He was never emotional. He would never take an emotional fight. He would always push and plan the things. Even though that's why he said, "I'm the best."
The secret talent that most people don't know.
Secret talent most people don't know about me. I think a lot of people know. These is very difficult that people don't know anything about your friends, your family, people around you know everything, but not exactly. Not. I don't think anything. I can't think of anything right now that
Okay, the most daring thing you've done in your career.
bungee jumping.
Okay, ठीक है. When did you do that?
That was about I think 10, 15 years back, but I did bungee.
अच्छा, ठीक
I
है.
wanted to get rid of this. So
Okay, what's the one thing you love and you hate about your job?
uh, I think the thing which I love about my job is that it's very value driven. So every day when you go back and you basically know that these days the connectivity and all of this is very important for people. So
You're making a difference.
yeah, so you have this thing
Hmm.
which is there, and I wouldn't say I hate something about my job, but I think there's a lot of challenges, and challenge ये है कि सबको साथ लेके चलना, सबको साथ में the whole ecosystem, government, our partners, everyone, to push them to have a common ground is a big challenge. लेकिन ये nothing I hate about my job.
अच्छा, best professional advice you've received.
uh many, but I think if I would to leave something, it is that I should always believe. If believe in myself and believe it what I want to do.
Okay. If you weren't in your current profession, what would you be doing?
Oops. Uh, I think it's this is a tough one, but
और कोई आपके ड्रीम्स नहीं थे जब आप छोटे थे? Do you want to be maybe a sports person? Cricket में जाना है,
maybe
acting or
maybe maybe
something?
maybe I would be into sports. Yes, maybe boxing.
Yeah, because obviously Muhammad Ali
Muhammad Ali.
Pasand, तो
Yes.
obviously. So if you had a chance to retire today, would you?
Not exactly. I was talking with someone, and I was initially I was thinking that I should, one should retire. लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है कि one should work to the last day of your life, even if you're 100. So you should keep contributing. Yes, yeah, less, more, that is debatable. लेकिन ये है कि working, creating, you could change things over time. लेकिन ये है कि you should never retire.
Okay. So if you were a superhero, who would you be?
Oh my God. Hmm. I would be a mixture of Hulk and Iron Man, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I don't know.
Iron Man तो मुझे समझ आती. Someone who is in the tech industry would want to utilize tech for all that. Yes, but Hulk क्यों?
Hulk is league because he could, in very short time, he can create a lot of damage.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है, अच्छा. Common misconception people have about your field.
Yes, there is a lot of misconception about our field, especially people don't see कि पीछे कितनी बड़ी effort लग रही है पूरे network की. People see mobile handset and maybe a BTS tower, or पीछे how the billing, how the networks are put up, how the digitization is happening, the data centers, the cyber securities, the AI. So बहुत चीज़ें when you talk about customer experience, so you make it such that everything at the back uh, is
Do you sometimes wish that people had more empathy and appreciation for your industry? कभी आपको ऐसे फील होता है कि इस उतनी हमें वो नहीं मिलती जितनी मिलनी चाहिए?
I think we get a lot of empathy and appreciation within ourselves, all
ओके,
the colleague
हाँ,
tech
एक दूसरे को
industry,
सपोर्ट करते हैं आप लोग।
and we're not small. I think we a lot of people in our industry they get a lot of encouragement. I would say कि जब वो देखते हैं कि यार ये किस तरह हो रही है, like we had example of I'll just share with you another example. We built up a small village, smart village, Gukina, just next to Islamabad, और वहाँ पर now it's I think 35 kilometers from Islamabad. लेकिन वहाँ पर बच्चों के लिए स्कूल नहीं था, साइंस टीचर नहीं था, तो बच्चियाँ 5th क्लास के बाद पढ़ नहीं सकती थी, ठीक है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूएसएफ एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ जैज वी वर एबल टू बेसिकली बिल्ट अप अ स्मार्ट विलेज देयर. और उसके बाद वहाँ पर थ्रू द digital means we started putting up a health clinic as well as the education like online teacher for girls. और अब तकरीबन 200-300 बच्चियां वहाँ पढ़ रही हैं, और इस दफ़ा वो सारी की सारी पास हुई हैं, एंड दे विल. सो यू कैन इमेजिन कि सो जो द सेंस ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट कि जी आपकी वजह से एक पूरी कम्युनिटी में जो 50% पॉपुलेशन है जो रुक गई थी अब वो चल पड़ी है. तो I think we need to do more and more these examples. We need to create. I'm very fond of, just say I shared with you the Bhagchand story. So we have many stories around this, and I believe that as Pakistan, we need to bring these positive stories. Pakistan is all full of so much negativity sometimes, and we talk a lot about this. We've,
Maybe we
as
need
a
to have more
country,
positive conversations
yes,
also.
yes, and we need to have sit down, and we should be very happy to see success stories around us and actually help them to and get get this energy, not that I was successful, but rather, oh, through me I was part of a team which made these five issues solved.
Interesting, interesting. Acha, if you could switch your job with anyone at Huawei, who would that person be?
I would switch with anyone.
No one.
No, no, no. I think I'm okay where I am right now, but
Calling the
I
shots from the top.
but I'm okay. I'm perfectly okay where I am right now.
अच्छा ठीक है, आपने सारे क्योंकि सवालों के जवाब दे दिए, so
So the
so you won't be singing a song for us, which is sad for us.
thank God, thank
Good
God.
for you, but sad for us. अच्छा, now moving on to one of our final segments, it's called the future. इसमें I would like you to, I mean, हमने youth के बारे में तो काफी बात की है, but if you could give them, some advice on how can they get to that point where they contribute positively towards this country.
I think तीन चार चीजें बहुत important है. First, I think they need to believe. You need to believe. You have a lot of positive stories around you. I just gave you Bhagchand story. The Gukina is an example. वहाँ पर अदीला एक खातून है जो कि ये पूरा मैनेज करती हैं, and she was doing nothing, and now she manages a school and she manages a health clinic. So कोई काम छोटा बड़ा बड़ा नहीं है. You need to start to believe के what you can do, and nothing is right wrong. You believe first and then we start working on this. Second, you don't think small, you need to think big. So if you are able to think big and you believe, trust me, even if you take small steps towards that, you will reach one day. So this is very, very important. Positivity is something which we need around us right now. We've somehow, I think, people in our industry they are quite okay, but like around us, I think some confusions are there for the challenges are there for this belief part.
अच्छा, हम क्योंकि यूथ की बात कर रहे हैं, थिंकिंग बिग की बात कर रहे हैं, सो ये इनोवेशन और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है, व्हाई डू यू थिंक इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ कंट्री लाइक पाकिस्तान?
It's not important. It's mandatory. I think. Why? Because जब हम communities में जाएंगे तो हर community में जैसे for me Adila was entrepreneur is an entrepreneur in Kokina village, because she's now managing school जहाँ पर 300-400 बच्चियाँ पढ़ रही हैं, और शी इज़ मैनेजिंग अ हेल्थ क्लिनिक जहाँ पर रोज़ के 200-300 पेशेंट्स आती हैं, और ये एक वहाँ की लोकल खातून कर रही है. And now, a lot of examples. I was in Hunza earlier this year, and I met a couple of people, and they were doing selling Hunza products globally from Hunza. and that is what is required. So we need people to be there and try to see how they can create value within their own communities and then take it to the world. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत important है.
And what advice would you give to tech companies, international tech companies that are planning to enter Pakistan?
Pakistan is a very exciting market. We Huawei, we believe in Pakistan a lot, and we were here. We started in '98 our journey, and every year we've grown. So I seriously think that uh, Pakistan sometimes is misunderstood. Once you come here, you find out, you meet people, and you find a very vibrant nation. ठीक है, जो बातें तो बहुत करती है नेगेटिविटी की, लेकिन जब काम करने बैठती है तो बहुत अमेजिंग अमेजिंग और मैजिकल काम करती है. So this can be hub for IT exports. This can be hub for back office. I told you just now. I'll tell you a very interesting thing. 5G पूरी दुनिया में अभी सबसे हाईएस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है. Huawei, we are leading 5G. और सबसे हाईएस्ट मार्केट शेयर ऑफ 5G एक्सपर्ट्स हुआवे में पाकिस्तानी है.
हालांकि हम तो सोचते हैं शायद हमारे
हमारे
मुल्क में
पास
तो
नहीं है
5G है नहीं, तो हमें
लेकिन
क्या पता होगा.
वी हेल्पिंग अदर कंट्रीज.
या
ठीक है. So that basically, so Huawei gives a lot of opportunity to Pakistanis globally as well. लेकिन ये है कि so जरा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी
बड़ी
बहुत
जरखेज
जरखेज
है.
है.
Right, yes. I really wish कि whoever is listening can find the passion and motivation in themselves, क्योंकि इसके बगैर तो change नहीं होना. चीज़ें तो वरना ऐसी ही रहेंगी. अच्छा, मूविंग ऑन टू आवर फाइनल सेगमेंट. हमारे दो ट्रेडिशंस होते हैं. पहला ट्रेडिशन हमारा ये है कि जो हमारे गेस्ट आते हैं वो पिछले गेस्ट का छोड़ा हुआ सवाल उसका पहले आंसर करते हैं, एंड देन यू लीव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर द नेक्स्ट गेस्ट. हमें नहीं पता नेक्स्ट गेस्ट कौन होगा, सो इट हैज़ टू बी अ जेनेरिक क्वेश्चन. इससे पहले आप अपना सवाल छोड़ें, आप हमारा एक लास्ट सवाल आंसर करेंगे. जो हमारी लास्ट गेस्ट थी डॉक्टर सारा कुरैशी, शी सेड के बिकॉज वो भी टेक इंडस्ट्री में काम करती है, शी सेड हाउ कैन वी यूटिलाइज डीप टेक विद इन दिस कंट्री टू एक्चुअली गेट आवर हैंड्स ऑन प्रॉपर इनोवेशन. और इस सब के लिए पॉलिसी के एरिया से जो सपोर्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, डू यू थिंक इट्स देयर या डू वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट?
So this question, before I go, into the deep tech, for deep tech we need multiple things. Yes, of course we need governance policy. So in a lot of countries now they have this is quite mature. So you have a lot of policies to govern this area. So Abhi, I think we are at government is working on this. I'll be very honest, and they're working on certain policies which will support. And the second is we need a lot of infrastructure as well, because you can't have these technologies, even like AI. ठीक है, you cannot have too much of this if we do not have enough hardware, connectivity, bandwidth. So ये वो challenges हैं जहाँ पर हमें बहुत quickly इसको gap को bridge करना है. Government is working on bringing 5G early. That should support. In some areas we need more fiber connectivity. That should support. We need to have some I would say that if certain support can be given to industry, जहाँ पर industry can go faster, faster in terms of deploying infrastructure, whether it is hardware. Then on top of that, we can talk about the putting AIs and deep techs and all of this on top of it. But I think before this, there's a lot homework we need to do.
अब सिंस आप लोग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेजोरिटी देखते हैं इस कंट्री के अंदर, डू यू थिंक वी आर ऑन द ट्रैक टू गेट टू दैट
We
पॉइंट?
are, we are. I think I would not say that we are not on track, but I think we could improve our speed a lot. ठीक है, और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जहाँ पर challenges हैं. I think a lot of confidence building is required between industry and between the industry as well and out of industry, both. So उसके बाद ये है कि we can solve some issues. I think as an industry, if we can sit down to solve these issues, we'll be much faster.
अच्छा, now so that you've answered the last question, what would be your question for the next guest?
Okay, and of course we don't know who is the next
Yes, we
next
don't
guest.
know.
So I would like to ask this to my next colleague and friend, whoever that would be, is what effort you are doing as an organization for bring youth into the our ecosystem of our IT tech space, and um, how you intend to improve it.
Alright, ठीक है. But tough question है क्योंकि देखिए youth तो is the future of the country and आप will put someone on the spot. So interesting. Let's
I
see.
can give you many examples. You know, we are running now. It's little strange, but you know, we've also started putting a limit on how much, what is the average age of people coming in our organization. So we're
Okay.
pushing ourselves to bring more
Hmm.
youth inside.
Okay. Hmm. Acha, now we'll move on to most beloved tradition because इसमें the audience gets to win certain things, ठीक है? So जो भी हमारे guest आते हैं, they have to announce a certain giveaway. Then we do a social media competition, and then people can win whatever you decide to give. So what would you like to give away?
Okay, so normally it could be.
It can be anything. It can be a material thing, your time, or anything.
So we can give. I think we'll give two Huawei bands, and I will also, yeah, we will also give three vouchers for our ICT certifications. But there's a small catch. So we will tell you. We will create a small competition, and then you know, we will work with you to. So people will need to win this.
Okay, so people will have to work really hard for this. But you know, it's very interesting कि आपने अपने giveaway में भी ना वो जो upskilling वाला part है वो डाला है. Your love for the youth of this country, I think that is going to be one of the major takeaways from this episode. And it's very nice to see that someone in your position is focusing so much on this area. So I'm sure the kids will be very happy. And now, obviously, we have to conclude. It was a very fun conversation. I'm sure everybody enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking out the time and sitting with us and sharing all these stories. We're very grateful.
Thank you very much, Asma. Thank you for yourself and your team for inviting me. And also, I'm always available. And we will coordinate with you for this competition, small competition as well. So
Great.
we'll work together on
Great.
this. Great.
Chale, guys, that was it then. Thank you for watching the episode. See you next time. Bye.